Friends, today we will study Unit 4, Lecture 3, Drugs. Synthesis of aspirin. Aspirin is a salicylate drug and is synthesized from salicylic acid. The substitution of hydrogen atom of hydroxyl or amino NH2 group by acetyl group is called acetylation. It can be done by using acetic anhydride or acetyl chloride in presence of H2SO4. Salicylic acid. On benzene ring ortho position, carboxylic and OH group is known as salicylic acid. In the presence of acetic anhydride, C3CO taken twice O, this acetic anhydride in presence of H2SO4 sulfuric acid, we get aspirin. On benzene ring COH and in the place of OH OCOCH3, acetyl group is added. So aspirin is acetyl salicylic acid. So from salicylic acid we can prepare aspirin. Applications of aspirin. Aspirin is often used as an analgesic to relieve minor aches and pains, as an antipyretic to reduce fever, and as anti-inflammatory medication. Aspirin also has an antiplatelet effect by inhibiting the production of thromboxane. Aspirin at low doses is used to prevent heart attacks, strokes, and blood clot formation. Low doses of aspirin may be given immediately after a heart attack to reduce the risk of another heart attack or of the death of cardiac tissue. Side effect. The main side effect of aspirin are gastrointestinal ulcers, stomach bleeding, and ringing of ears. Synthesis of paracetamol, acetaminophen. In 1893, Joseph von Merking discovered paracetamol. Paracetamol is prepared by treating an amine 4-aminophenol with acetic anhydride to form an amide, N-acetyl para-aminophenol. 4-aminophenol in para position amino and OH group is known as para-aminophenol or 4-aminophenol. CH3CO taken twice O, acetic anhydride, water at room temperature gives paracetamol. On benzene ring, OH in para position and NHCOCH3 is known as paracetamol or acetoaminophen. Reactions of paracetamol. Paracetamol is also known as acetaminophen, is widely used as an analgesic and antipyretic. Paracetamol is classified as mild analgesic. Paracetamol is commonly used for the relief of headache and other minor aches and pains and is a major ingredient in numerous cold and flu remedies. In combination with opioid analgesics, paracetamol can be used in post-surgical pain and providing palliative care in advanced cancer patients. Side effect. It overdoses may cause liver damage, skin reactions, and asthma, etc. Uses of Dettol. Dettol is commonly used liquid antiseptic and disinfectant. The original Dettol liquid antiseptic and disinfectant is light yellow in color in the concentrated form, but several ingredients are insoluble in water, which produces a milky emulsion of oil droplets when diluted with water, exhibiting the Ozo effect. Dettol is a trade name which is a mixture of several ingredients, but active ingredients are chloroxylenol, C8H9ClO, 4.8% terpenol, pine oil, isopropanol, castor oil, and caramel. Dettol is 4-chloro-3,5-dimethylphenol, is used to apply on living tissues such as wounds, cuts, ulcers, and diseased skin surfaces. The compound is also called as pythianol, is added to soaps to impart antiseptic properties. Structure of chloroxylenol, methionol, and terpenol. Applications of chloramine T. Chloramine T is used as biocide, algicide, bactericide, viruside, fungicide, germicide. Chloramine T is also used as mild disinfectant. Chloramine T is used to make drinking water pathogen free. It is used for killing pathogens by soaking medical and dental equipments. It is available in tablet or powder forms and readily soluble in water before use. It can be sprayed on the surface and is allowed to stand for 15 minutes before wiped out. It is used in hospitals, nursing homes, funeral homes, etc., where control of pathogens is required. Applications of Compose. Compose is the trade name of the tablet containing active ingredients diazepam, Valium. Compose tablet is marketed by Ranbaxy Pharma. Diazepam is a sleep-inducing drug. It It is used for treating anxiety. It is used for alcohol withdrawal. Diazepam is also used as pre-medicine before endoscopy. Classification of antibiotics. The antibiotics have classified in a number of ways. First classification. Antibiotics have either cidal, that is killing effect, or static, inhibitory effect on microbes. A few examples of the two types of antibiotics are as follows. Bactericidal means killing bacteria. The antibiotics are penicillin, aminoglycosides, ofloxacin. Bacteriostatic, erythromycin, tetracycline, and chloramphenicol. So these are the first classification of antibiotics. Second classification, the range of bacteria or the other microorganisms that are affected by certain antibiotic is expressed as its spectrum of action. Antibiotics which kill or inhibit a wide range of gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria are said to be broad-spectrum antibiotic. Those antibiotics which are effective mainly against gram-positive or gram-negative bacteria are narrow-spectrum antibiotics. It's effective against a single organism or disease. They are referred to as limited spectrum antibiotics. Some examples of antibiotics: bacitracin, nystatin, penicillin has a narrow spectrum. Ampicillin and amoxicillin are synthetic modification of penicillin which have broad spectrum. Chloramphenicol and tetracyclines are also broad spectrum antibiotics. It is absolutely essential to test the patient for sensitivity allergy to penicillin before it is administered. Third classification. This classification of antibiotics is based on the chemical structures. It has been suggested that such antibiotics are produced due to similar mechanisms in different organisms and exert their therapeutic action also in a similar manner. The different classes are penicillin, aminoglycoside, chloramphenicol, tetracycline, macrolides, lincomycins, polypeptides, pollins, anti-tubercular antibiotics, anti-neoplastic antibiotics. So these are the third classification of antibiotics.